Hello, I'm Mario Toneguzzi, and I'm taking care of business. Joining me today is Ernie Tsu, who is president of the Alberta Hospitality Association and owner of Trolley 5 in Calgary. Thanks for joining us again today, Ernie.
Hey, thanks for having me again, Mario.
Okay, let's talk about a letter that the association had sent to the Alberta government just recently. Tell me what your concerns and what your recommendations were in that letter.
Well, our hope right now is to get our industry open as soon as possible, operating at 100%. So the curfew that is affecting so many businesses across this province that are hemorrhaging money right now, there's no other way to say it, needs to be lifted, as well as the tables of 10 remaining seated and no mix and mingling. It's not giving any restaurants, pubs, or lounges the ability to book in any events right now due to the table of 10s that have to be locked down.
Okay. What is your position on the I guess the exemption program, and we're primarily vaccinated people, have to show their proof of vaccination at the door. What do you guys want?
Our position right now is whatever it takes for our industry to be open without any restrictions. It has caused mass layoffs, across the province in the hospitality industry. That is still one of the highest, employment for our province in the private sector. Number two is the mental health of every operator out there. More importantly, our staff, that have had hours cut back while the operators have hemorrhaged and lost mass amounts of revenues due to, what the government feels are just small restrictions.
Now, are you optimistic? I know Saskatchewan and Premier Scott Moe there is moving forward. I think it's by the end of this month. Not 100% sure on that, but and Jason Kenney, Alberta Premier, has signaled, kind of the similar thing. Are you optimistic that we're going to get there sooner than later?
Well, Premier Kenney has indicated that it might come in a staged, approach, and with our businesses, we just need to know what that approach might look like. Of course, we're optimistic, especially seeing how Saskatchewan has approached this. But we're also optimistic seeing the latest Angus Reid poll that states that 57% of Albertans want the restrictions lifted. It's time. It's time for everybody to be able to get back to normalcy, to live their lives, and to try to get rid of this diversity that's wedging so much anger in our society right now.
Yeah. When you look at the hospitality industry, specifically, restaurants and pubs, are you surprised at how many have been able to hang on?
Well, our industry is full of resilient owners. I mean, in an industry that bears very thin profit margins, we do this because we love it. We do it because of the people that we get to work with and the guests we get to serve. And more importantly, our industry loves being a part of the communities that we're in. We've maintained that soapbox that, when do you ever hear a restaurant, pub, or lounge say no to giving gift cards to a local charity or hosting local fundraisers? That's our passion. It's great to see how many restaurants have been able to hang on, but it's also very sad to see how many restaurants have had to close. And some of those restaurants are restaurants that have been around for a long time, not like a flash in the pan.
Yeah. Oh, I just wanted to return one question about the letter itself. Have you gotten any response yet from the letter you sent?
Yes, Minister Schweitzer's office was very quick to respond. And, we're very thankful for that, because that is the Minister of Jobs, Economy, and Innovation. And right now, our focus has to be to try to protect the local jobs right now and the local economy in our industry.
Yeah. All right. Super. Thanks, Ernie, for joining us today.
Yeah. Thank you again, Mario.
All right. Super. That was Ernie Tsu, who is president of the Alberta Hospitality Association. also owner of Trolley 5 in Calgary. I'm Mario Toneguzzi. This is Taking Care of Business. Thanks for joining us today.